Have you ever wondered what everything around you is made of? And even your own body all have one thing in common. They're all made of tiny building blocks called atoms. No matter how big something looks, if you zoom in far enough, you'll eventually reach atoms. Each atom has a tiny center called the nucleus, surrounded by fast-moving electrons. The nucleus contains positively charged protons and neutral neutrons. Negatively charged electrons move around the nucleus incredibly fast. The simplest atom is hydrogen. It is just one proton and one electron. The same basic building blocks can be arranged in many ways. When sodium and chlorine atoms join together, they form salt. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms can combine to make sugar. Carbon atoms can also link together into long chains to create plastic. Different combinations of atoms create completely different materials. Think of atoms as nature's Lego bricks. Just as Lego bricks come in different shapes and colors that can snap together to build castles, cars, or spaceships, atoms come in different types and bond together to create everything around us. Every object, from the air you breathe and the water you drink, your phone and your body, is built from these tiny building blocks. By combining in different ways, a relatively small number of atom types can form millions of different substances, making atoms the fundamental pieces that construct the entire physical world. In metals like gold, atoms are packed together in neat, repeating patterns. This orderly structure helps gold conduct electricity, reflect light, and bend without breaking. The tiny arrangement of atoms determines whether a material is hard or soft, strong or weak, shiny or dull. In the world of atoms, structure matters just as much as ingredients. When objects heat up, their atoms gain energy and move faster. In solids, atoms vibrate in place, but heating makes these vibrations stronger. As the temperature rises, atoms spread farther apart, and the material may eventually melt into a liquid. That's why ice melts into water as atoms gain energy. With even more energy, water becomes steam. Chemical reactions happen when atoms rearrange to form new substances. The atoms inside your body were created billions of years ago inside ancient stars, connects human life to the history of the universe itself. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began with the Big Bang. In the first few minutes after this event, the universe was incredibly hot and dense. During that early period, only the lightest elements could form, mostly hydrogen and helium, with tiny amounts of lithium. At that point, the universe contained no carbon, oxygen, iron, gold, calcium, or other heavier elements needed for planets and life.